Yeah. Hey guys and gals, what's going on? My name is Elvis. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first time actually talking to you guys. Now, before I get started on today's topic, I just wanted to say that this is your channel just as much as it is my channel. Because at the end of the day, I want to make content that you guys like and that you guys will enjoy and share and come back for. So if you have any suggestions on, any videos I should make or things you want to see, tutorials, video projects behind the scenes, my process, how I, edit pictures or anything like that, just please let me know. I mean, I want some ideas from you guys. So yeah, if you have any ideas, drop them down there, in the little box where you write stuff, and let me know. Moving on into our actual topic of discussion. Today we're going to talk about the good old you need X. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. It's been on YouTube for I don't know how long. I say it's kind of like the clickbait thing nowadays. So as a starting photographer, I would always, look at the YouTubers and look at the successful photographers, and I'd be like, well, what gear are they using, right? I want that gear, because if they're using that gear and their stuff is coming out that good, well then I need to have that gear for my things, for my pictures and videos to be, as good. Well, that's not the case. It will probably break you. It's broken me in the past, so I'll just tell you guys that. I'll tell you my backstory to that. So I started I've always taken pictures, on my iPhone since I'd say like 2015 on an iPhone 5C. I used to have the iPhone 5C, it was white, and I would take that thing everywhere, of course, it's my phone, and I would just take pictures, and I loved it, and then I upgraded to the iPhone 6S, and I would always take that thing everywhere with me. Now I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and this camera, let me tell you, this is one of the most powerful tools, one of the best cameras I have, because guess what? It's always on me. So hey, even though I have, the Sony a7S II and a Nikon D7100, I still think that this is my best camera because this phone shoots amazing quality for a mobile phone, for a mobile device. Okay, anyway, so getting back into what we were talking about, guys and gals, do not think like this. I'm not gonna bash on the people that have done this in the past, but I'm telling you, it does not help if you think that having specific gear that someone else is using is going to make your work great. It starts with vision. You have to have a vision, and you have to be creative, guys. You have to stand out from everyone else. You have to be different. It's not always about, having the best gear or, the most expensive cameras or the most expensive lenses, because I'll tell you right now, I know a couple people that have amazing cameras, $1,000 cameras, and they don't really use it to its fullest potential. So my point is, whatever camera you have right now, whether it be an iPhone or a Canon, T2i or whatever, learn the fundamentals of photography, composition, lighting, learn the fundamentals, get that down, and then move into creativity, because knowing how to use composition, the rules of composition, and when to break those rules, that will get your creative ball rolling. That was it. That's all I have for you guys. It was a short, video. Hopefully you guys take something from it, and hopefully you guys come back and enjoy the content that is coming, because I do have a project that's coming up. Not only will I be doing tutorials and maybe vlogging. Should I do vlogging? I don't know. Probably not here because I don't have the time for it. I'm just gonna be straight up. If I do vlogging, it's gonna be like weekend stuff, because that's when I'm usually out doing it. Anything important or anything that looks fun, at least. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's it. That's gonna be today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys share, you know, maybe subscribe, I don't know, comment. Actually, yeah, comment. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I mean, if you guys want tutorials, again, if you guys want to know how to edit, how I edit pictures, how, I don't know, you guys, you run the show. All right, that's it for me, guys and gals. I will catch you guys in the next video. I need to stop doing things with my hands.